Going into A2 will determine the top 3 and the overall winner of the weekend. Going into this course, Little Charlie had 6, Big Charlie had 4 gates completed. Sawyer Brassanini had 4 gates completed. Jesse Haynes, Big Brassanini, Steve, Matt Dickey, and Cam all had 3 gates completed, and Brett Dickey only had 1 gate.
Looking good. Hold that rear tire up there. A little longer.
Rear dig.
7 minutes. 7 minutes
Yeah, rear
remaining.
dig. Or if you have airlockers. Well, it's wedged against it.
Yep, there you go. Do it again. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going a second. Keep going a second.
Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the trail. Hit that subscribe button, share up this video, and hit that like.